Hello students, today we are going to learn A Garden of Words, Standard 4, Part 1. Let's start. And A-N-D and at A-T began B-E-G-A-N began but B-U-T but came C-A-M-E came come C-O-M-E come could C-O-U-L-D could cry C-R-Y cry do D-O easily E-A-S-I-L-Y easily five F-I-V-E five gave G-A-V-E gave hand H-A-N-D hand her H-E-R her I in I-N in it I-T it like L-I-K-E-D like looked L-O-O-K-E-D looked many M-A-N-Y many more M-O-R-E more not N-O-T not now N-O-W now off O-F off one O-N-E one only O-N-L-Y only out O-U-T out put P-U-T put quickly Q-U say loudly everyone Q-U I-C-K-L-Y quickly said S-A-I-D said shawl S-H-A-L-L shawl she S-H-E she smile S-M-I-L-E smile smiled S-M-I-L-E-D smiled some S-O-M-E some take T-A-K-E take ten T-E-N ten the T-H-E the there T-H-E-R-E there time D-I-M-E time D-O-2 T-O-O-2 took T-O-O-K took T-W-O 2 wanted W-A-N-T-E-D wanted was W-A-S was what W-H-A-T what will W-I double L will योर चार्ट. अभी हम लोग को ये वर्ड देखना है और ये वर्ड को चार्ट पे टिक करना है. ओके? नाउ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. AND and. BUT but. OND one. FIVE 5. TEN 10. WILL will. LIKED like. TOO K2. CRY cry. IT eat. DO2 PUT put. THERE there. NOW now. Now repeat after me. And at began but came come could cry do easily 5 gave hand her I in it like look many more not now of one only out put quickly said she smile some take then there time to wanted was what will would. Now your homework is to write this. आप लोग क्या करोगे? ये होमवर्क में रीड एंड राइट करके आओगे. ओके? अच्छे से रीड करना है और उसको राइट करना है. ओके?